Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to solve a problem of minimum and maximum number from 2D array. So I already have created a 2D array. I'm going to print the 2D array. So I'd say arrays.asList. I'd pass the array and then I'd call the string dot for each and pass the consumer. So I'd say take the array and go for print. I'd say system.out.print a len, and inside this I'd call the arrays function or toString arrays class into string function and pass the array. So let's just run and see. Okay, so yeah, it's created of to a two-dimensional array of 25 values. Now I will find the mean and max value from this 2D array. So I would first call the int string, then range from 0 to array.length dot map to convert the values. So I'd say take the index and inside the map I would again call the instream dot range from 0 to arr array, yeah, dot length. And what I wanna do is I would call the map again, and this time I'd say just take the values from the 2D array. So I would pass the I and j and then find the mean. So it would return an optional value. So I would again call the get as int. So it would return the int number, and I have to close the bracket. Okay, I have to remove one bracket from here, and now I have to assign this in a variable. So I'd call it mean. Again, for max, what I'll do, I'll just simply do the same thing. I'll again call the instream dot range from 0 to array.length, and then I'll call the map, pass the index, and then I'll say instream dot range from 0 to array.length. So we are taking each array present inside the 2D array, and we'll call the map, and then we'll extract the value by passing the indexes from the 2D array. Then we call the max. It would return a optional int, so I have to call the get as int. So it will now return a integer value. Now what I can do, I have to assign it in a variable called max. Now what I'll do, I'll just simply print those values. So I'll say minimum value present inside the array min. I'll just copy this line and change it to maximum and max. I'll run the program. Okay, that's actually printing the reference of the stream pipeline. So I have to tell again the mean of min and then get as int. Similar way, if from stream in stream I have to extract the max, so it would return an optional int. So again I have to call the int get as int. It would return the int. Now this time it printed correctly. So in the 2D array we can see the 3 is the minimum value and 76 this one is the maximum. It's painted correctly. So This is all about this program where we are finding the minimum and maximum number on the 2D array. So that's all about this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.